title of our project is Traditional Telugu and Modern English. Many of the nouns used in the typical Telugu conversation by the native Telugu speakers are observed to be English. Verb forms used are Telugu. Many English words have been embraced and naturalized by the Telugu speakers, example bus, car, train, etc. And many English words are preferred over their Telugu equivalents. In this context, we want to examine the choice of English words by the Telugu speakers. The objectives of the study aims at continually checking at the preferences of the Telugu speakers in terms of use of English words, propositions. Language is a product of social and cultural consequences. Our values, moral belief systems, social norms, prejudices, dogmas and cultural ethos influences the way we perceive and use language. As native speakers of Telugu language, our culture traditional must be playing a major role in our usage and the choice of words in our conversation. We needed this project to determine whether the usage of our words, either Telugu or English, have anything to do with the culture and traditional of our land.
The general assumption is that influence of socio-cultural aspects influence language. We wanted to prove it through an approach scientific methodology. We decided to adopt a survey method of research to prove further into the subjects that we have chosen. Survey method approach. After zeroing on the survey method, the following guidelines have been formed. Pro forma or format is to be given to the participants of the survey. The number of participants of the survey has been agreed to be 30. It has been decided that the survey would restrict itself to taking all the participants out college GDC Balsa. Participants respondents must be have chosen randomly from our staff and students whose mother tongue is Telugu.
Preparation of the survey form. Two sets of words, each set containing the 10 words with along with their Telugu equivalents are prepared. The first set consists of words related to religion, culture and traditions. The second set of words consists related to modern technology and education. The respondent is given the format of and is asked whether he prefers the given English word or it is Telugu equivalent. The respondent asked to pick the word of his choice. So this is our survey form.
The qualification part of the survey. After the survey, the data has been calculated and practiced systematically. The average number, the English, Telugu was prepared. Each set is calculated. Set 1. The average number of English words prepared 3.43. The average number of Telugu words prepared 6.57. Set 2. The average number of English words prepared 8.04. The average number of Telugu words prepared 1.96. Choice of English and Telugu words in set 1. Telugu 66, English 34. Choice of Telugu and English set 2. Telugu 20, English 18.
The analysis of the data. After carefully analysis of the data, it can be declared that uses of English words in Telugu language conversation is rapidly growing. But as per our survey, when it comes to the matter of religion, tradition and cultural practices, people tend to prefer their mother tongue. To give an example between the English word statue and Telugu word vigraham, most of the people choose the Telugu word. Lamp is any common electric light or candle, but the Telugu word deepam is associated with the worship of God. People preferred Devudu because it is the word they are associated with the Almighty. Their cultural upbringing made them prefer Devudu.
The words in the set 2 were related to the register of modern technology and education. Here, interestingly, the participant of the survey preferred more English words. The average number of English words preferred here in set 2 is 8. The average number of Telugu words preferred in is mere 2. Library is preferred our Granthalaya. Office is preferred our Karyalaya. Laboratory is preferred and Prayogashala is not.
Telugu represents our culture and English is our modern outlook. Telugu is our heart and English